Hey everyone. Well, I think today is officially day 5. The babies are starting to swim in the nest there. You see the mother's still protecting. And father's around too. Yes, they know what's going on. I don't think they enjoy checking them out. Well, they still seem happy. Yes, hello buddy. Hey, say hello to everyone. That's it. There's Mama Bear there. You gorgeous girl. So if you can see down under the cave there, if you look hard enough, the babies are starting to swim. I think in the next day or two should be taking them out, but we'll see. I just wish, as I said, it would focus a bit more. Focuses on her. Look, if you look underneath there, you can just see the movement of the babies. They're definitely swimming in there. Hey buddies. Oh, a gorgeous fish. Have a look at the male. If anyone's got some names to suggest, because I can't make up my mind what to call them, let me know. I'm surprised she's even letting him go in close, but he's definitely protecting them too. Just have to watch he doesn't eat them. She keeps him in line though. There you go. Yep. Can't believe she's letting him go in there though. I don't know what that's about. Look, little swimmers, little Fry baby swimmers. Look. Look, you can see them, you can just see them.